Hey y'all, welcome to 308 Carrick Way. This is a great house. It has so much square footage. It's got 5 bedrooms, 5 baths. It's got a basement that is completely redone with a full kitchen. It's got a new deck. The house has been inspected and all the repairs have been made. And the owners have come in here and painted it a beautiful, beautiful cream in your coffee color all over downstairs. It looks wonderful. They've done some new stuff to the fireplace over here. Look around, Chris. And painted the bookshelves. This house is open, it's airy, and it's in a wonderful location, Charleston Plantation. Great area, wonderful for your children. It's got a great backyard. All the way back there is private. Check it out. I want you to see the basement. Come down here, Chris, and look at it.
All right, let's go.
Okay?